before we talk about the footer, let's quickly group this into frames. So now we're going to group everything into frame, except inside of a frame we're going to call main. So from the hero down to the frequently asked question, they are going to be known as the main. So we're just going to frame selection. Just going to frame selection. We'll just add a layout to it more. And then make sure that the gap is 0, and I'm going to name it main. So there are three things you need to know when creating a website. There are 3 sections of a website. There's like the nav, and then there's like the main area, which we have other sections, and then finally the footer. So we are going to talk about the footer in the next